off to Gazzanats. It's 20 past 5 in the morning. I'm feeling sick, but I'll do it for you.
It is 5:30 in the morning and we're supposed to be gone now, but the unit's not starting for some reason.
So I think my fuel pump decided to die. We've just tried to crash start it, didn't work. We're trying one more time. Dylan and Adam are already waiting for us. This is our last ditch effort, guys. Ready, go. Jump in, jump in. Wait, wait, not yet. Yep.
Rip HOELUX, can't get it going. There's a verse in it so we can tow the HOELUX back out. Don't know if we're going to make it to Gazzanats, don't think we will.
It is just past 7, we've already got the tray off. Funnily enough, I filled up yesterday afternoon, so the tank is full to the brim. So we're going to figure out a safe way to take the fuel tank off.
Right, go, drop it, slowly. Yeah, hang on a second. Yeah, okay, now I've got to detach the wires. We're going to call up some wreckers shortly. HA,
What?
and call up some wreckers shortly. And see if we can source a new fuel pump. On our way to Gazzanats. Correct.
I found the auto wrecker 2 k's down the road. He has the right pump, intake pump. He said it's 94 bucks, it's a bargain. Oh, traffic!
Vale Auto Parts. I learned how to put an alternator in last Racewars. Today we're learning how to put in a fuel pump. There it is, guys. I mean, it's not a turbo, but that's a start.
So the new fuel pump Zen. What we've had to do though is the connection was different, so we've had to do the dodgy and put crimp wires in. So it's all in.
Yeah.
It's not bolted into yet, we just want to check it. Hey! Woohoo!
As you can hear, the HOELUX is back up and running. It was the fuel pump. So we're gonna make it 2 Kebabs and Cars tonight. So we can't go down to Gazzanats, but we'll go to Kebabs and Cars.
So we're on the way to Kebabs and Cars, but we have to pick up some mates first. But they said they're ready outside the hotel. They're not ready.
We're back with vlog number 44.324 and we have a car. We've got another car there, and then we got a plane, we got a camera, one of these. We got a moving car. There's a plane again. We got another moving car. This is how Stance royalty is made. You got a guy walking around with a bride bag on, and he just records anything he sees.
Spotted. Uh-oh. Echo. Echo.
Look what I found. Oh, it's Simon from Joy Drive.
No.
Yes.
You got someone else.
Look at him. Working his movie magic right there. We have Jarrah in his natural habitat. Excited for Racewars?
Yeah, so game then.
Jarrah's coming down to Racewars with us. JM Media. And he's got media too. So we'll all be on the media team together. It's gonna be sick. 10 past 8 and I am yet to still see a kebab. It's kebabs and cars and meat boxes.
We are wrapping it up for tonight. We'll see you in our next vlog. Stay royal, guys.